Laid off recently? These five US based companies are hiring right now, and you don't even need a degree. Let's dive in. Welcome to Laid Off to Paid Off, where we turn setbacks into paychecks. Today, I'm giving you five legit remote jobs that Americans can apply for in 2025. Perfect if you're starting over.
The night is young, the lights all gleam.
First up, Concentrix, a global customer service company that hires remote support agents from across the US. Pay ranges from $15 to $18 an hour, and no degree is required. You just need a quiet space and good communication skills. Next up is Boldley, one of the highest paying remote job platforms in the US. They hire experienced professionals for roles like executive assistant, marketing specialist, project manager, and more, all remote. The pay starts at $22 per hour and can go up to $28 depending on the role. Boldly only hires US citizens, but there's no need for a degree, just proven skills, a reliable computer, and great organization. Number three on the list is Working Solutions, one of the most flexible remote jobs in the US. They hire independent contractors to handle customer support for big companies. And the best part is you choose your own schedule. You can work from home, get paid weekly, and there's no degree required. All you need is a computer, internet connection, and great communication skills. So if you've got a quiet space and a desire to earn on your own terms, Working Solutions is a great place to start. At number four, we've got rev.com, a great option if you're a fast typer and want to work from home on your own schedule. Rev pays you to transcribe audio files, caption videos, or even subtitle content in different languages. The best part, you don't need experience and you get paid every week via PayPal. It's perfect for beginners who want to start earning online today with just a laptop and internet connection. And finally, we have WeLocalize, a legit company that hires freelancers in the US for flexible online gigs like search engine rating, content review, and even translation. No degree is needed, and you can work on your own schedule. Tasks are simple but important, like evaluating search results to improve Google's accuracy. It's perfect for anyone looking to earn from home without phone calls or interviews. So, which of these remote jobs would you try first? Drop in the comments, I reply to everyone. And if you're serious about turning your layoff into a paycheck, hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell because I share new remote job leads, tools, and side hustles every week. This is Laid Off to Paid Off, where we don't just survive, we bounce back stronger.